kena faham. Perlu ada marah cegah lagi dia. Jangan ngapi, bila ngapi nanti dia lagi.
Berapa kilo dah?
3-4 dah laut. Kita jaga sendiri kak.
Ada kau mana?
Ketam tu cuma 26.
Dalam pinggan tu apa dia? Dalam pinggan tu.
Lalu bapak dia bawa mak dia.
30.
Oh,
Yang ni 17.
Bapak hari ni je kak. Ada sak.
Tengok tu, kurang banyak tengok tu. Ikan kak, boleh pilih kak ikan. Yang 50 yang. Kita panggil yang juga. Tak boleh, kita bagi aku panggil yang.
8 je. Tidak, yang tu tak apa. Hari-hari sayang.
Suami saya kalau dia marah kan, walaupun tak makan nasi 2-3 hari. Kalau kita cium dah hilang dah marah dia. Dah hilang. Kenapa mun tak heran? Dia nak manja ni kak.
Oh nak manja dah tua-tua pun nak kena cium. Siapa ya?
Banyak.
Mati ya tak ada kawan. Mati ya tak ada kawan. Ada kawan mati. Siapa yang salah? Sekarang aku kat sana.
Ni ketam ya?
Dia dah masuk. Yang ni 35 bagi 30.
Tu. Yang ni berapa?
Cantik. Yang ni 26 bagi 25 je.
Isi penuh kan? Nak yang mana?
Itu dia punya lo je. Kan?
Yang ni 25
badan.
setengah.
Itu dia punya kepik je.
Yang murah mah. Dapat ni harga. Boleh.
Sama.
2 kilo 30. 2 kilo 30. Sama harga kan? Ambil 14 boleh campur-campur. Harga dia 18, saya bagi 16. Ini ikan ni semua murah-murah. 14. Boleh campur-campur ikan tak? Apa jenis?
Yang ni nak kilo.
Kilo.
Ini foto ni berapa ni?
Soto 25.
Kilo 20. Ini kilo
Satu mangkuk.
Ha? 5. Nak ni satu.
Sekejap ada.
Ni satu. Jadi 15 kan? Oyster tu kira macam mana?
RM2.
Nak RM2. Saya nak 2 lah.
Banyak sakit.
Boleh, yang gitu boleh.
Kan?
Yang buat boleh, apa yang kita.
Tapi dia tak boleh simpan lama.
Tak boleh simpan lama
Terus makan.
2 hari.
2 hari dah. Masuk ekspor boleh lah. Nak 2.
Ini kelas sebab tahan lama ni.
Nak 2.
Taruh atas lah, tahan lama.
Nak 2 ni.
Nak pilih tak?
Boleh lah bang. Ni lah. Okey.
18. 17 17
Ha.
Kan? 5, 2, 4. Oh, 18 kan? Susah nak kira.
Berapa banyak ni?
Buat mak kan?
Lala.
Berapa bang ni? Berapa ringgit? Satu bakul. Ha?
Asal berapa
10.
tu?
Hidup kat lalang tak?
Jalan jalawi ya?
Terima kasih.
Ini jalawi.
Duit. Kenapa lu belanja makan tahu? Ikan kak? Dan 9 ada dos baru bawal parat. Dos baru 25 sekilo. Dos baru kapal sama harga.
Bawah kan?
Bawah cepat.
Okey.
Boleh foto besar kan?
Okey. Cakap laut. Tadi aku dah beli apa lah? Lupa lah. Ikan.
Ikan je.
Kepah.
Yang banyak kepah.
Murah kepah. Kalau ni mahal juga.
So nanti beli polisterin lah, letak ais.
Atau balik rumah je lah.
Eh,
Balik rumah terus je. Bukan susu. Tadi tinggal beli sayur ni.
oh nanti beli sayur je. So belilah ikan ni.
Nak ikan pari ke nak ikan
Apa-apa.
nak ikan pari kilo. Ha? Kilo.
Sekilo.
Tak, dia kira seko.
Oh seko
Yelah.
Oh kira seko.
Seko tapi sekilo berapa lah.
Oh,
Takkan main
seko.
potong-potong. Ya, 9 lah.
Kalau kira ekor, kalau kira ekor,
Nanti putus-putus semua.
Kira timbang lah kan. Dua ni lah.
apa tadi Teh? Tak potong.
Apa ya?
Timbang
Terbang pula.
So, these are the oysters that we bought from there. Previously, we bought 2, and I figured out that I forgot about my son, so we got another 2. In total, we got 4. Theoretically, I know that it is best to have this raw, but I'm just not sure how long they have been putting these oysters out there on the tables for sale. So we figured out it's better to steam it up. So it's all steam. Look at that, guys. So this is the biggest one. I am clueless on how to open this up. This one kind of misshape. It's out of shape. So how do we open this? I do not know. Firstly, I saw on TV that they kind of have to have a oyster shuck to open it up, but all I have is this hand knife, and oh yes, of course, I have a lemon on standby. I guess there's a line there. Maybe that's the way or the door to open it up. Maybe I'll try. Wow. Let's find a bigger door, shall we? And trying to get in to the oysters. Oh, I guess I need a stronger knife. I'll be back. Ta-da! So I've managed to chuck in these 2 butter knives into the oyster, so I got a little gap there. So I guess now it's time that we just, again, I'm learning this from theory, from all the TV shows that I've watched before. So, okay guys, I managed to open that up. I'm sorry about my cat. She's in heat. She wants to get married, but I don't have a husband for her, so she's been making noises, strange noises, howling all week long. So back to our oyster. Oh, I can see the little guy there inside there. Can you see that? Yeah. Smells fishy though. Woo! Yeah, there it is, guys. Our oyster. I mean, my oyster. My first ever supposed to be raw oyster, but due to the weirdness that it's not fresh, so we steam it up. Let's have a smell. It doesn't smell fishy. It smells still good. I mean, as a seafood that always smell, this kinds of being acceptable. So it's salty. Should I put this first or just raw? I think it needs lemon. It really needs a splash of lemon. Okay guys, so how do we do this? With the same knife? Oh, okay. There it is. There's the little guy. So, my first oyster ever steamed. Here we go. Well, there it goes. Well, what I can say is the lemon does help in fighting the it's so salty, it's very salty, but I can taste that it is still good, you know, it is still edible, and I'm pretty sure with the help of Allah that I'll be fine after a few hours of consuming this. This is the food of it. Yuck. I mean, it tastes the same as the body itself, the food, the food, but you can't chew it. It's unedible. It's inedible, right? So my verdict of this oyster is now I've tasted the steam one, and it doesn't taste any much different than a block cockles that is my favorite, or a mussel. No, it's more to like a cockle, a blood cockle that I've tasted before. I love blood cockle, so I guess I love oysters. But next time, if I'm in a hotel or a seafood restaurant, I will try the fresh one, raw I mean, and probably it will taste much fresher and without any salt. Probably when we steam it, the saltiness came out from the inside of the little guy. So nothing special about this taste, but I heard that it's a very good aphrodisiac. Yeah, I mean, if it goes down there, then it's going to do me good. But aphrodisiac, if it goes up there, probably I will grow an afro. Just a joke. Probably a side effect from having these oysters. So, okay, right. It takes kind of a strong guy to open this up. So, I'm going to open up all of the other three for my wife and son to enjoy, because I don't want them to hurt or slice their hand with this knife. Even though it's a butter knife, it takes a lot of effort to open it up. Okay guys, yeah, till next time, on the next episode, other future episode that I'm going to enjoy a raw good fresh oyster. I'll see you again guys. Take care. Cheerio.